What's up guys, welcome to my first video, uh, Mr. Photoshop. Today I will show you how to make a color splash effect in Photoshop. First what you're gonna need is the open your picture. Sorry. What I say, yeah, open your picture. Let's see, where is it? There. We will take this picture. Okay, when you open this picture, what you're gonna need to do, go to the layer and right click and duplicate layer. Okay, now go to image, adjustment, black and white, and just click OK. And now go to the brush tool, eraser tool, sorry. Click on the eraser tool, click there, hardness this, and make your size. And now you make the size and go to the line and just click on the left click and easy scroll down and everywhere where you want to make a color. And I don't will be very I didn't will do this very best, but you get to do this so better than me. Just what you need is time. Oh there, and you can zoom in and do that easy, but I don't will do that now. I will just want to show you how it's work. You can do this in slow and make a better than me. And this will be for this tutorial. Subscribe, like, and search this video. And one more thing, English is my second languages and I don't speak very well. Then see you to the next clip. Bye.